Nothing is wrong. That is why you are in danger. Your bills get paid. Your job is not amazing, but it is not unbearable. Your weekends are decent. You get the occasional holiday. You often tell yourself you should be grateful. And that sounds mature, but a lot of the time it is just fear dressed up as gratitude. Because when something is painful, you move. When something is unbearable, you act. When something is obviously broken, you stop tolerating it. But when life is just comfortable enough, you wait, you delay, you drift, you settle. You often call that stability. It is not stability, it is stagnation with good PR. And that is why fine is dangerous. Fine does not push you to negotiate. Fine does not push you to invest. Fine does not push you to move your money. Fine does not push you to build the life you actually want. It just keeps you sedated. The comfort trap does not destroy your life in one dramatic moment. It slowly convinces you to accept a smaller one. Follow and subscribe for more, and watch out for the next video, Case File 3, The Comfort Trap, coming out soon.